Optimizing health and fitness goals with fitness tracking apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and today we're talking about something that can seriously level up your health and fitness journey, fitness tracking apps. Whether you're looking to get stronger, lose weight, or just improve your overall wellness, these apps can be your best friend. So let's dive into how you can optimize your goals with the help of technology. Why use fitness tracking apps? First off, why should you even bother using fitness tracking apps? Well, they're great for tracking your progress, keeping you motivated, and providing you with insights that can help you improve your workouts and health habits. These apps let you set goals, track calories, monitor your heart rate, and even connect with friends for extra accountability. Types of fitness tracking apps. Now, there are several different types of fitness apps, so let's break them down to find the one that works best for your personal goals. First up, we've got activity tracking apps like Strava or Runkeeper. These are perfect for anyone into running, cycling, or outdoor activities. They track your distance, time, pace, and even provide you with a map of your route. Next, we've got apps focused on strength training and gym workouts, like MyFitnessPal or Fitbod. These apps allow you to log your sets, reps, and weights and help you structure your workouts over time to ensure you're progressing. For those of you interested in holistic health, there are apps like Headspace and Calm, which focus on mindfulness, meditation, and sleep, critical factors when it comes to optimizing overall fitness. And finally, if you want all-in-one solutions, apps like Apple Health or Google Fit sync all your activity data, sleep patterns, and nutrition, offering you a complete overview of your fitness journey. Setting and tracking goals. Now that you know about different types of apps, let's talk about how to use them to set and track goals. A lot of these apps allow you to create custom fitness goals based on your objectives, whether it's running a certain distance, lifting a certain weight, or burning a specific amount of calories. For example, I love using MyFitnessPal to track my calorie intake, but it also lets me set goals like getting a certain amount of protein each day. It's great for those of you looking to balance nutrition with exercise. Analyzing data for optimization. One of the best things about these apps is the data they provide. The more you track, the more insights you gain about your body's performance. This data can really help you optimize your goals. Take Fitbit or Garmin, for example. These apps can show you trends over time, like how your resting heart rate is lowering as your fitness improves, or how your step count is steadily increasing. These small wins really add up, and the key is to use this data to adjust your workouts and habits, staying motivated and accountable. Another huge benefit of fitness apps is the sense of community and accountability they can provide. Many apps have social features where you can connect with friends, join challenges, or share your progress. I love how Strava has group challenges where you can compete against friends or strangers. It adds a little fun competition, which always keeps me motivated to push harder. And even if you're not super competitive, the simple act of sharing your goals with a friend can help you stay accountable. Some apps even let you link up with a coach or a trainer to get personalized advice. Extras and integrations. A lot of these apps also integrate with wearables like the Apple Watch, Fitbit, or Garmin devices. These trackers collect real-time data about your heart rate, sleep, and even stress levels, which automatically sync with the apps, giving you an up-to-the-minute look at your health. Plus, many apps can also sync with other platforms like MyFitnessPal for food tracking or Nike Training Club for workout plans. All this integration helps you get a full picture of your health and fitness goals. My personal experience. Let me share a quick personal example. A few months ago, I set a goal to run 5 kilometers without stopping. Using Strava, I was able to track my progress over time, my distance, pace, and overall stamina, and see how much I improved each week. By keeping track of my runs and getting feedback from the app, I stayed motivated and actually exceeded my goal, running 5K in under 30 minutes. Apps like these really make a huge difference when it comes to goal setting and tracking. Conclusion. So, whether you're a runner, weightlifter, or someone who just wants to live a healthier life, fitness tracking apps can help you stay on track and achieve your goals more efficiently. The key is consistency, data analysis, and using the right app for your needs. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite fitness app, and how has it helped you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep crushing those goals.